It's time to go through the silliest obstacle course ever! Ready, set, go! Yeah! Woo! Up the ramp! Whoa! It's a sand avalanche! Whoa! Oh no! How's he going to finish the course? He's gonna do it! He's going to attempt the jump! Wow! Being a Monster Jam driver must be so much fun! Watch Blippi's Job Show to see them in action.